Hi everyone, how are you? Hope you are doing well. About myself, I am Pranam Mondal from Kharagpur, West Bengal. I did my schooling from Benapur High School and Vidyasagar Vidyapit and have completed my BTech degree in Information Technology from St. Thomas College of Engineering and Technology. I am from a nuclear family and my hobbies are playing cricket, watching movies, watching cricket, reading novels. Looking forward a great journey in Infosys with you all guys. And before ending, this is the last week of this year, so enjoy yourself with your family and stay home, stay safe. Tata.
Hello everyone, I'm Amrita and I have joined Infosys on 6th of December 2021 as a test analyst, and I'm so glad to be a part of this team. I live in Thane, Maharashtra, but I basically belong to Indore, Madhya Pradesh. I'm looking forward to work with all of you. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Hey, hi team, this is Gauri Shankar. So, I am born and brought up in Chennai, and I have around 11 years of IT experience. And my hobbies are pencil sketching, cooking, and watching TV. Thanks.
Hello everyone, I am Magir Dilshad. I am from Kerala, Malappuram. I completed my BTech Computer Science and Engineering from ME Engineering College, Malappuram. I joined Infosys on 13th August and I had a training for about 2 months. The training was very nice and interesting. So that's all about me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Riya Gadigaukar. I am from Mumbai. I completed my Bachelor's of Engineering specialization in Electronics and Telecommunication from Mumbai University with overall CGPA of 8.70. I also did Diploma in Electronics Engineering from Government Polytechnic Mumbai. My hobbies are traveling, cooking and exploring new things. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Piyush Jain, born and brought up in Delhi. I completed my 10th and 12th from Father Agnes School, after which I enrolled in IPU University or GGS IPU, under which the affiliated college was Northern India Engineering College, which is renamed as Dr. Akhilesh Das Gupta Institute of Technology and Management, from where I completed my bachelor's in computer science. And I hope we all can have a really good time at Infosys, working together, building together and helping each other.
I am Anil Balla. I am from Andhra Pradesh, Visakhapatnam. I joined Infosys on March 8th. After successful completion of my training, I was allocated to Bhubaneswar project. First I was joined in ASS team and then shifted to ECS team. The team was very nice and the manager also. Manager was Ajit Mohanty. I am very grateful working with this team. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Daniel Pereira. I am from Kerala, Trivandrum to be precise, and even though there is a Trivandrum DC, my base location is Bangalore. I finished my engineering, my BTech in the year 2021 and joined Infosys on the same year on August 9th. So naturally this is my first project, and under the guidance of our cheerful manager Ajit Mohante and other several colleagues like Saruj and all, I've had a smooth and easy transition towards my first work, my first project in Infosys. And needless to say, all the team members, all the colleagues have been so welcoming and foremost so helpful in this new chapter of my life. And I'm just altogether hopeful that I do a good job and will be able to learn a lot and have a good time here. That's it. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Masiha Sultana and I am from Andhra Pradesh. I'm a BSc graduate. I got selected in Infosys through campus selection and got under training. My training program went well, just except one thing that I never got a chance to visit Mysore campus. And after training, I got allocated to this Bhubaneswar project. Actually, this is my first project. And I'm really glad that I got this project and I got a chance to work with such a good team members who are very cooperative, and our manager who is very cooperative, Ajit Mohante. That's all about me. Thank you.
Hi, I am Viplapsai Behra. I am from Bhubaneswar, also known as the Temple City of Odisha. I feel fortunate to be part of Infosys, and it is a great experience till date. I belong to the Plain Financial team, and my hobbies are watching movies and sports, especially.
Hi everyone, my name is Ayush Geete and I live in Bhopal, the city of lakes. And I like watching and playing cricket. I used to play it with my friends whenever I get time. I'm also fond of music and movies. I like traveling and exploring the world around me. As a wise man once said, it is not about the destination, it is about the journey itself. Talking about journey, I started my professional journey with Infosys recently and I am really proud to be a part of this wonderful organization. I am working with claims financial teams and my heartfelt thanks to my seniors for the support and guidance and for welcoming me in the team. And I look forward to learn more and more and become the best version of myself. Thanks.
Hello everyone, I am Rashmi Bhatt from Udupi, Karnataka. I am BCA graduated. I did my degree at MGM College, Manipal. I selected Infosys through campus selection drive. My Infosys virtual training was started on April 14th. It went well. After that, I allocated to this project on mid-September. I am happy that I am working with good teammates under good manager Ajit Mohanty. My teammates helped me to learn project-related application. I am thankful for that. Currently, I am working in Quadient application. I'll make sure that I'll do my best at work. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Prashant Dahare. I am from Nasik, Maharashtra. I have completed my BE from Sandeep Institute of Engineering and Management, Nasik. I have joined Infosys in January and right now I am part of ACAS team. It was a very good learning as well as working experience in training as well as in project. My project team members as well as manager helped me to know the system as well as project well so that I was able to perform well and hoping to have the best in future also and to grow as well as to learn and excel at Infosys.
Hi all, my name is Shubham Bhosle. I am currently a part of ACAS Pune team and I am currently working from Kolhapur, Maharashtra. And this is my third project as a test engineer after I completed my training. For the first project, I worked with Jainish, Vidya and Prashant. In the starting time, I had a lot of doubts and confusion regarding how the system works and all the things, but my teammates helped me a lot at every point, especially Jainish and Vidya helped me a lot whenever I wanted to understand how the system works. And we also have the status execution meetings with Kaushik to track the execution status and also to discuss about the various type of doubts whichever we have. And about my manager Kaushik, he is a very supportive, he is a very happy person and always smiling and very supportive as well. So yeah, I am in this project since last 6 to 7 months. So as a team I feel that we are with a good pace right now. So yeah, looking forward for the great things to happen. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Ashwati. So November release was my second project release since I got into this team, and I have got an opportunity to work along with Chinmaydi, Sharmay, Priyadi and Panchi, and our projects were NCPDP, SmithRx and PCRX. Initially we have got cadres for both these projects on their respective logics. NCPDP we have covered, the logics were covered by Gaurav and it was about the different record setups and AHF and non-AHF plans. And SmithRx and PCRX, they were like the newly included third-party RX vendors that were included in ACAS shared accumulator database. And we have also got KTs for shared accumulator basics also.
Hello everyone, I'm Aishi. I'm here at ACAS since March. My experience regarding November release is, no doubt, it was a major release, but hopefully it went well. Moreover, I have got a very cooperative team. My teammates are quite helpful, including my TLs and manager. Despite of all the work burden, I have learned quite new things from this release, which helped me out to improve my knowledge and efficiency. And I'm very happy to be a part of this release. Thank you.
I'm Panchi and I belongs to Lucknow, and I'm working in 8th AKS team since July 2021. Till now I worked here in 3 major and 2 minor releases, so it was such a great experience to work in this team and with the team members. So I feel so comfortable at present because the team members are so helpful and they guided me so well during my initial days. So it was a great journey to work in this team, and so at the end I would like to thank all for helping me out during my initial days, and thank you all.
Hi all, I'm Vidya Patil. I'm part of the ACAS team since July 2020. I have worked on 5 major releases and 2 minor releases. It has been a great journey. I'm really happy to be part of this team. All the team members are very helpful. It would be unfair if I take only one name. So today I would like to thank all who dedicated their time and effort to help me to grow in my role. Thank you.